Hello, I'm teacher Gina from 방법유엔 English Academy. Today, I want to show you something. What should I make? Okay, let's get started. I had dinner, but I'm still hungry. What can I have for snack? Let me see. Aha! I have hot dog. I have hot dog. Let's make hot dog. Woo! Ingredients. 재료 소개. Ingredients. 재료 소개. Hot dog. Hot dog. 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. Hot dog buns. Hot dog buns. 1, 2 hot dog buns. Yay! Pickles. I like pickles. Pickles. Be careful. Boiling water. Be careful. Boiling water. Last, ketchup and mustard. Ketchup and mustard. Now we are ready. Let's make homemade hot dog. Woo! First, cut your hot dog in one direction. 한 방향으로. And then cut in the other direction. In the other direction. 반대 방향으로. Put your hot dog into boiling water. For a minute. 1분 동안 for a minute. But be careful. It's really hot. Be careful. 조심하세요. Now it's ready. It looks good. It looks good. I like pickles. If you like pickles, put pickles on your bun. I like pickles. I put pickles on my bun. Like this. And place your hot dog on the bun. Place your hot dog on the bun. Like this. Ooh, it looks good. Now, I want ketchup on it. Put ketchup on your hot dog. Zigzag, zigzag. Ooh, yay! And I like mustard. And I also put mustard on it. Ooh, I like the color of it. Zigzag. Wow, it's perfect. Wow, it's perfect. It's perfect for my snack today. I hope you enjoy hot dog. See you next time. Bye-bye.